box review. Hey guys, it's me, Hezbro2 here, back with another video, and today we have an unboxing from KewbzUK. This is a £10 Lucky Dip, and I took the brown tape off because it's hard to get on and just replaced it with this bit of duct tape which I can get off easily. And yeah, this is the first video in a while. Let's get into it. Oh, looks like we've got some good stuff in there. So I can see that we've got a 2x1x1. Let's take off this. Is that an X-Men Galaxy? That's an X-Men Galaxy. How much are they worth? Like 15, is it? I don't know. X-Men Galaxy Mega Minx. And that's a £10 Lucky Dip. I'm pretty sure they're worth like £15. Let's look on to the next thing. The cube stand, obviously the most important thing. And let's get something else out. Let's go for this. Oh, this is one of those cubes with the rainbow pattern. That's quite cool. So, yeah. And Z cube 1x1x2. Let's rummage around, see if we got any lube in there. I mean, I'm not really expecting any. I'm very happy with that Mega Minx because I think they're worth a lot more than 10. Let's just put that all in the box. So we'll start off by opening up the 1x1x3, I guess. Get it. We'll start off with the Z cube 1x1x3 then, and yeah, let's take a look into this. So it might be easy to go in from the bottom actually. Yeah, it is. Normally it's on Z cube products. Oh, that is a weird texture on those stickers. That is like, I don't know if the camera can see that, but they're like almost, feels like they're made out of carbon fibre almost. So yeah, let's turn it. First turns. It actually turns okay. This is like literally the only thing that you can do on it. But yeah, it doesn't exactly shapeshift like a floppy cube. But yeah, cool novelty, I guess. Z cube 1x1x3. We'll put it on the cube stand. There. Let's go on to the rainbow cube. I want to save the... Oh, that opened. Oh, it's a bandage cube. I think. Is this a bandage cube? It's a mirror cube. It's a mirror cube. 3x3. With these weird tiles. And I've just messed it up. It's back to normal. I'm not going to attempt to solve this. Yeah, let's get on to the main event. The X-Men Galaxy Mega Minx. It's not sculpted. It came in black. That's fine. Fancy box. Oh, it is out. And yeah, this is just how to solve a Mega Minx. Not very good at Mega Minx, but let's just get into first hands. This is really nice, like really smooth. Might need some lube in it. Actually, it feels quite dry. I might go and get some now to put in it. So I'm back. I have paper towel and some lube. So, thinking maybe do some, just wait, is this, center caps come off on this? Thinking maybe do some weight 3 pieces, probably. So we have some weight 3. Let's just put a drop of that in tracks. Okay, right. There we go, and now we put in some speed loop, I guess. So I have my trusty cubicle assortment of these. Probably going to use some silk. Maybe put in a few drops of silk. And then probably just a couple of drops of denim. And then, yeah. There we go. That works quite well. And let's turn it. Oh, that feels so good. Yeah, I'm not very good at Mega Minx and my hands are really slippy. I might actually just go and wash my hands and tidy up this, and then I'll be right back. So I'm back, I washed my hands and just degreased the Mega Minx a bit. And this feels really, really good. It would have been good if I could have got the sculpted, but I'm definitely not complaining. And yeah, I think all of these cubes are really, really quite good actually. I think this was a very good lucky dip. I'm very happy with what I've gotten out of it. Very happy with this Mega Minx. Because I did check, it's worth £15, so quite a lot more. And I believe that this is a fairly high rarity, but not the highest. You can get a lot more stuff. And so, thank you for KewbzUK for actually having this lucky dip service available for people to buy. And yeah, very happy with what I've got. Here are the 3 things. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, everybody. I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to try and upload a bit more frequently. Probably actually making a cubing tutorial at some point. Comment down below if you'd like to see a cubing tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.